Hi everybody, welcome back to Drunken Sailor. It's your favorite Drunken Sailor, Bill. Well, it's happened. The summer equinox. The days are long now, they're just getting shorter and shorter, but while they're still pretty long, we are going to enjoy some summer cocktails. What better of a summer cocktail than a pina colada? I think I got one for you. It is called the Strawberry Colada. So let's get pouring. This is a great cocktail because it is a frozen cocktail. We're going to make it in the blender. And a few simple ingredients. Like I'm saying, fresh is best. We have some fresh strawberries and we froze those, chopped them up, and there is a cup's worth in there. Next, we took some pineapple. Nice fresh pineapple, chopped that up. Another cup is going in there. Now, we're going to put a little bit of extra ice in there. So we're going to use about a half an ounce or about 5 ounces of ice, crushed ice, that's going in there. Going to make this nice and slushy and delicious and cool. We are now going to put in there some creme de coconut. And we're going to use a lot of creme de coconut, 2 ounces. Now, if you know you're making these ahead of time, make sure you don't have that creme de coconut in the fridge. It gets really, really thick. So if it's at room temperature, it actually pours a lot better. But 2 ounces is going in there. Our next ingredient in, of course, is it's not a pina colada unless we put some rum in there. And we're using a spiced rum. We're actually using Blackheart. So we are going to put in there 3 ounces. We've got everything we need in there now, and it's just time to puree. Once you stop here those big chunks of frozen fruit, your everything is nice and smooth. That's when you're good. Now it's time for the pour. So we're going to take a highball glass and just start pouring nice and slow because it is a super frozen, slushy, refreshing. And we don't even need to add more ice. We are going to garnish with a fresh strawberry. And with this one, a straw. And if you can get a big slushy straw, that's what you want in there. And there is today's cocktail, the Strawberry Colada. Summertime in a glass. Cheers, everyone.